We've just increased the degree of difficulty. We have two variables. Ooh. So remember, when we square the binomial, first term squared plus 2 times the first term times the last term plus this last term squared. I'm putting in parentheses just to be super safe because, well, let me first work this out. It's going to be x squared plus 4xy. And look, this last term, everybody's going to say, it's 2y squared. Why'd I get it wrong? Because watch, 2y quantity squared is 4y squared. Guarantee that's probably 80% of the mistakes people will make in doing a problem just like this one. So just be mindful. I'm just giving you a heads up, guys. Okay, next, 4x plus 3y, that quantity squared. Ooh, increasing the degree of difficulty yet again. Okay, so first term squared, that's 4x, that whole quantity squared. Not just 4x squared, but 4x, the quantity squared. Wow, you'll see this, why it makes sense in a second. Okay, plus 2 times the first term times the last term plus that last term, that quantity squared. Because look, I've made the mistake too, okay? So I'm not trying to say I'm better than you, but when we do 4x quantity squared, it's 16x squared. Again, commonly people say, oh, 4x squared is just 4x squared. So it's just a very, very common mistake. I just want you to be aware of so you don't make it. Okay, next, 2 times 4 is 8, times 3 is 24. So it's going to be 24xy. Following the custom, put the number first, otherwise known as a constant, and then followed by the variables in alphabetical order. Now 3y quantity squared, that's 3 squared y squared, so it's going to be 9y squared. Again, just be mindful when you square these monomials with a number and a variable, both parts of them are squared. So it's like 4 squared x squared, so it's 16x squared. Last one is 3 squared y squared, 9y squared. Okay, peace. I don't mean to browbeat, but I'm just pointing out something you need to be very careful with.